got the police to arrest my parents, so my parents took out credit cards and loans in my name. It was fine when they were paying the bills, but they got behind. I don't have a key to the mailbox, so I never saw the bills or anything. I just finished my 3rd year of university, and I was going to move out. That would require me to get a credit check and stuff. My parents freaked out and forbade me from moving out. They said it was stupid that I would waste money on moving out when I could save money living at home. Long story short, I am about $60,000 in debt because of them. I cannot afford to pay that off. I told them that they needed to clear the debt immediately and change the house rules so my boyfriend could spend the night. They said that they didn't have the money to pay the debt and that I could not strong-arm them into changing the rules of their house. I called my auntie and asked her if I could please come stay with her for a bit. She said yes, but asked a lot of questions. Then she told me stories about parents screwing up their kids